Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need your new wiper blades, of course, and a small towel or cloth. This towel is crucial for protecting your windshield from scratches if the wiper arm accidentally drops. Make sure you have the correct blade lengths for both the driver and passenger sides. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Be gentle, as these arms can spring back. Next, look closely at where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab and then slide the old blade straight down or off the hook, depending on your specific connector type. Remember to keep that towel handy under the arm. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade firmly onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it won't come off. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other side. After installing both new blades, it's essential to test them out. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers using the washer fluid. Observe how they perform. They should clear the glass smoothly and quietly without streaking or chattering. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Also, for other great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.